What's up, guys? It's your boy CKJJ Sisk VR, aka Drew. Bro, I keep messing that up. I deleted that part of my name.
Sorry.
What you heard that laughing from? You heard nothing until now. Today, I see you. I'm playing Animal Company today in the new winter update with my friend Leo.
Okay, I'm sorry, bro. I broke character.
Okay, let's go. Let's get.
Alright, let's go.
Let's get everything.
Alright, we need my ski.
And
I got my
I
ski. Bam! Bam!
So first, we are gonna be going to the log cabin.
And
we have to kill the guy named Jeremy. Well,
if y'all don't subscribe, this thing will go in Cheerbot. Okay?
That.
If you don't subscribe.
Okay, let me grab my weapon.
And yes, my controller's broken, so sadly.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. And
let's go!
Later in this video, I will be showing you guys how to get the snowboard.
Ah!
I gotta get away from that dude.
Let me! Please, don't leave me here. My ski! I can't even have. Oh, wait.
I have to get away. Okay, so grab the stuff you need. So first, we're gonna be showing you the log cabin.
I need my umbrella.
Yeah, just it's on your back.
If I can
bro.
buy one.
It's on your back.
Oh.
Sorry. Oh.
Dude!
Oh no. Sorry. So guys, I might have accidentally killed him. I'm gonna toss this down there. Bye bye. And today it will be the light.
Dude, you killed me! Now I don't have my umbrella anymore.
You still have. I can buy you one. I might not have enough. I might not have that much money left, but I can manage. Here you go.
Whoa! It's an umbrella.
I was returned.
Alright, bro. Don't hit me again like last time,
okay,
bro.
let's go. So, make your umbrella not like that.
But I want my umbrella like this.
Okay, we're heading to the log cabin, okay? We're heading to a log cabin that maybe includes a monster. Maybe. I'm coming to the cabin, bro. Wait up. I think he's already down. Remember, here in this video, I will show you how to get this special snowboard. Bro, where are you? Bro, where are you? What the? What? Oh, there he is. Did you bring a weapon?
I forgot.
Brother. Oh, brother.
I forgot. I'll throw snowballs at him, alright?
That ain't...
Dude.
Oh. He gone.
I hate that. I hate that. I hate that.
I guess he really does run.
I asked you if you run. You said no.
Wait, can you hold on to this for me?
Okay, bro.
Wait, can you hold on to my umbrella for me?
You did,
I'm
you did,
I'm
you
gonna
did.
go get us some weapons. I'm gonna go get us some weapons. Watch out! Brother. I think they're... Wait a minute, I was retarded. Make up your mind, and I am without hesitation. Go watch Leo's channel. I'll tag him in my description and in the video title. So go check out his channel and watch him Meta Man edit. It's the best edit you've ever seen of any character. Wake up one day and tell me confess you loved it. I'm coming back. Wee-hoo! Okay. Bro, come back. I'm back. You did not just leave me. Sorry. Bro, where did you go? Still playing.
By. I got hit by something.
You've been hit by
and it does,
criminal.
bro. I got hit by something and it does like half the damage, bro. I'm not
Yo,
lying.
where's the umbrella? Oh, thanks. Thanks.
Like he goes, like he runs.
Can you kill him?
Woo!
Can you hurt him?
Yes,
though?
you can, but yeah, you can, but he'll kill you fast because he does half damage to you. Oh, you have a flashlight, yeah. All right, we could probably go in here. Nah, bro. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to hit you.
Maybe.
Okay, this is something, probably. What if this is like... What if there's like vents in here? Well, I can't see out here. It's too dark. Yeah. Like a bit. I mean... Where are you? Ah! Run! This thing is almost red. This is almost red.
Yeah, because of how many times you've hit something. Okay, let's go.
Okay. I don't like that. Do you hear that footsteps, bro? Why is it red? Ow! don't you hit me?
Because I can.
Alright, let's go in, bro. I'm not a
scared.
scaredy cat, bro.
I'm scared.
Huh? Whoa.
Down
Right in
here
here
is
is
just
kinda
an endless
dangerous.
trap.
What if there's like some monster? Ah! Okay.
That's
This
why.
doesn't kind of do anything. This does, bro. Why would we come here, bro? There's nothing here.
He's right
Alright,
there.
I
We can
gotta-
kill him now.
No, it's no, it's no. You can be harder. Let's go.
He's walking to you. Should I grab my grenade launcher?
Nah, bro, I don't like that.
Listen.
Who you see him, bro? Ow!
Whoa.
Dude, he almost killed me. He almost killed me, bro.
You know what?
Be careful, him.
I'm gonna go back and get my grenade launcher.
Can you give me your flashlight, dude?
Here you go.
Oh, there you go. Ooh, that's what you use. Can I put this anywhere?
No, you just
Oh,
have
no,
to
I
carry it.
How do I carry this?
Put the sword on your back.
Did I?
Yes. I'm gonna go get my grenade launcher from the Christmas Animal Company video. I'm gonna buy that penguin. Promise. This gets to like 5 likes. I'm gonna buy that. The idea. Come on. Oh, no.
Bro, you were taking so long. What happened?
I kind of died.
Oh my god, and you took that long? That's crazy. Oh my god.
Doesn't look like he takes
Oh, dude, he's gonna scratch me. Oh, you see? He scratches.
doesn't look like he takes damage.
Yes, he does, bro. Okay, you wanna try it out?
No.
Dude, there's even a better one. There's a better version, bro. There, he was silver. Die! Oh, so he dies to light. Alright, let's go. Whoa, this is where the money bags are. Where the garbage.
And also where we might die.
Yeah, and we might.
I don't trust this.
Should we go in this door? Oh, that's where he's in! That's where he's in! Oh, bro. He saw me! He saw me! He saw me! He saw me! Oh, oh, dude, how did you not die?
Wait. Red.
Hi! Drew, give me back to my body. Give me back to my body.
Be adjusted.
Drew, give me before it's too late.
I don't know where your body is. And I'm too
Look,
scared.
just go front, go front, go front, go front.
I'm scared because there's no light.
Oh yeah, just go to my foot. Go front. Look, I know where it is at. Where's that?
Is he there?
Go front. No, he's not, bro. I swear, I got scratched by it, and he basically like dies when you get scratched. Yeah, there. Run, run, just run.
Oh my god, bro, you're such the star, man. Alright, let's get out. Let's get out. Let's get out. If he's there, bro. Get out!
Get a load of this, dude.
My God, bro, you killed me with your snowball.
What the?
There you go.
That's weird. He spawned there.
Oh!
Okay,
Died a lot.
guys, now I'm gonna show you how to get a free snowboard. Leo, come here, now.
Okay, I'm coming here.
Let me have the flashlight. But,
It's
bro,
like Jack, like flying away, bro. Dude! Okay, got here. Where are you?
okay, bro, over here, right here.
What's here?
And this might make some people teary-eyed once you see this video. Film reel. This might make some people teary-eyed. Okay, bro, we have to ride like a ski down now, or something like that.
Alright.
Wake up, Chrissy.
Wake up, Chrissy. I never always leave, bro.
Are you coming down? I don't think he's coming down. They are! They are! They are! Oh, he's here.
What's up?
Okay. Follow me, Leo. You might be watching YouTube while watching YouTube. Watch what this does. This
Jimmy,
is the OG
Jimmy, stop!
map.
Jimmy, stop! Jimmy, Jimmy,
Such a fun trip!
would you rather a free rocket or a mystery bag?
Watch this. Oh, God did for me. Fucking with, yeah, go. Fucking with. Hey, buddy, you need a haircut?
I'm sorry, but I have to go.
Mimi, no! What are you doing? No!
What the heck, bro?
I mean, just look at her.
What the? Why is this like Screenslaver, bro?
Welcome, mi gente, to the world of creators. You can jump through here. Around the world. Nah. Wee. Wee. Don't mind if we fall in the water.
Why does this remind me of something?
Where are you? I'm right here. Where are you? And I'm so scared.
Let's go.
Yo, these are toilet paper rolls. Yo, jump up here. Spider-Man has returned. Yo, don't leave without me. Don't go without me, please. Don't hit the red button yet. You have a free snowboard.
Huh? Oh, free snowboard! Yay!
Bro, I'm gonna go die because I need to do something. Don't fall. What? Bro, go back to lobby. Penguin. Become Gazer Beam. Are you coming to lobby? I want to finish off this video with one special thing.
Okay.
Leo,
I guess yes.
you know where we're going?
Where?
We're going to Lake.
Bet!
Get your weapons.
Actually, I don't have any, but okay.
Probably be a flamethrower in the middle.
Get him! Yes, I got a gun! What the? Ah!
Wait, you can shoot at it now. Oh, not Teddy El Mupatito. Whoa, you don't want to mess with this dude. How are you still alive? Bro, where'd you go? I'm in the water. Oh, you're in the water? Where? Where in the water? Sick 'em. Driving my way. Brushing the way. Three spots. We're 3 monsters. Unless the present spawns back in. I'm just gonna make like 10 more monsters.
Yeah! What the heck? I don't know. Why is it biting you so much? I hate that. It's eating you so much, bro.
Yo, there's RPG ammo. Oh, rust and smoke, the heater broke. I think we killed all of them, my dude. Bro, I just got flashbanged.
Wait, what does do?
Can I run? It was a turkey, but... Bro, stop angering him.
You know what? I'm tired of this dog. You're gonna die!
Wait.
Sacrificed.
I got you. I'm just kidding. I won't do it this time.
Get away!
Bro, please.
Like, come back here, boy. Come back. Oh! You still. Dang it! There's more ammo. Just more.
How did you kill me? Bro, revive me back to my body. Dude, why do you swoop like that, too?
Alright, let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's
I
go.
got a grenade
Alright.
launcher.
Really? Alright. Got him.
Oh, brother! What the? Please revive me. Bro, please. Please.
Yes.
Please.
Yeah, boy.
Brother, please revive me. Actually, please revive me.
Me? Me? Dude, I gotta go.
He left. Maybe. y'all in the next video. Leo had to leave, sadly. Can I kill him in the safe zone? So that's gonna finish off our video for today. I will see you in the next video. Probably be a New Year's video or something like that, or showing off what I got for Christmas. So see y'all later. See you in the next video. Love you all. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye. Subscribe to Leo.